Workers aligned the massive keel blocks on the slipway at the Harland and Wolff shipyard in 1909 Belfast. A close-up of the double-bottomed steel plates being laid across the keel with grease-stained tools scattered nearby. Giant vertical steel ribs are hoisted into place by the towering Arrol gantry cranes. Giant vertical steel ribs are hoisted into place by the towering Arrol gantry cranes. Giant vertical steel ribs are hoisted into place by the towering Arrol gantry cranes.
Internal bulkheads are fitted inside the hull, showing the scale of the watertight compartments.
Internal bulkheads are fitted inside the hull, showing the scale of the watertight compartments. The giant bronze propeller shafts are carefully aligned at the stern by engineers with precision levels.
Lower away! Let it bite the plate!
Secured, sir.
Workers on high scaffolding apply thick black lead paint to the smooth, riveted hull. The steel deck is covered with long, raw planks of premium teak wood by carpenters. Industrial sanding machines and handheld scrapers are used to smooth the teak deck to a golden finish. The ornate mahogany railings are polished by hand on the bridge deck overlooking the bow.
18. Sense mechanical phase gold leaf is carefully applied to the raised steel letters spelling out Titanic on the bow.
Tons of tallow and soap are spread onto the wooden slipways beneath the finished hull.